Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the CapCut ending on your videos. So in here, I'm going to start creating a new project. I'm going to click on the new project and select the video that I want to edit. Okay, so when I add videos into the CapCut editing page, there will be this CapCut ending like this. Okay, so to remove it, you can just click on delete. But if you want to remove it permanently, so when you open new project, there will be no ending like that, you need to do this. So let's go back to the CapCut homepage. Go to the settings at the top right corner, and in here, there will be add a default settings. So the default ending settings here, you need to turn it off by clicking on the circle, click on discard. So let's go back and start a new project again. So after you turn it off, here on the editing page, there will be no ending, no CapCut ending again. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.